Next topic is separation of solid from other solids. So what are the methods by which we can separate a solid from other solids? First one method is hand picking. You often see your mother while she want to make a food, that time she separate a unwanted material present in their useful material. Okay, like the stones we can separate from the pulses, and also stones from separated from the that other grains. Okay, and second method is there sieving. Sieving beta, this method is also used for separating a solid consequent, like at your home your mother while she want to make a chapatis, that time before that making chapatis she separate a calf from the wheat flour before kneading a wheat flour. Same way construction, at a construction work the person separate fine sand from the gravel. Okay, third method is winnowing. Beta, what is winnowing? Winnowing is a separate process of separating grains from husk. Beta, husk is their outer covering, and hay. Husk and hay is their outer covering. So winnowing is a process of separation of grains from husk and hay with the help of wind. Okay, with the help of wind. This is called winnowing. But our next method is threshing. For threshing, nowadays thresher machines are there. Okay, in detail we will discuss in later topic. Now, what is hand picking? It's a simplest method of separating unwanted material from useful one. What, like I've told you already, at your home your mother often do that use hand picking method while preparing food. So by this method what we can why we use this method? To remove the unwanted material present in smaller quantity. And hand making method is used in that places where the unwanted substance have different size, shape and color. Okay, so example of that food grains which we can separate that are wheat, rice, pulses, because they contain small pieces of stones, sometimes insects, so these can be removed by hand picking method. Sieving, this method is used for separation of solid consequents of a mixture which differ in size. Means here on the basis of size you can separate a consequent of mixture. So in this method bigger particle retained by sieve and smaller particle are passed through a sieve. Okay, this is a sieve, you can see here sieve. Even at your home after making tea you use a sieve to separate the tea leaves. So this method is used for following purpose: separating calf from wheat flour, for separation of fine sand from gravels, for separating pearls of different size. Next is winnowing. The method is based on the properties of grain